As a tech preview in the 2025 release, the ability to place parametric cells in the geometry place point command or also the equal space point command has been added. So when you place a point and you choose a feature definition that uses a parametric cell, so in my case I have one here called existing head walls. A new field has been added on the dialog where it allows you to choose and review the different variations. So I can choose the variation that I want for both the 2D and the 3D cell. When I go and place that wherever I want it, I can place it, and it places it, uses the select variation. Once it's placed, I can select the item, review the different variables in there. I can make edits to these values if I need. So we'll just change the width of that and see that it did increase. And again, we can make those changes in both the 2D and the 3D variables.